The most important relationship in your life isn't with a partner, a boss, or a friend. It's with the person looking back at you in the mirror. But let me ask you, do you trust them? Do you trust the person to keep the promises they make to themselves? Welcome to week 14. Today, we're talking about self-trust, the invisible foundation of all confidence. It's time to stop looking for reliability in the world and start building it in the mirror. Self-trust is broken in small moments. It's broken when we say we'll wake up at 6 and when we hit the snooze until 8. It's broken when we say we'll set a boundary and then let it slide. Every time we betray our own word, the person in the mirror loses a little bit of faith in us. We end up feeling anxious and insecure, not because of what others think, but because we don't believe in our own follow-through. Rebuilding that trust is like rebuilding any relationship. It takes time, consistency, and honesty. You have to prove to the person in the mirror that you're on their side. When you trust yourself, the world loses its power to shake you. You don't need 1,000 people to tell you you're doing a good job if the person in the mirror knows the truth. Self-trust creates a deep sense of internal safety. It allows you to take risks because you know that even if you fail, you won't abandon yourself. Trust is the currency of leadership, but you have to be the leader of your own life first. Your assignment for week 14 is the Promise Pact. Look into your eyes and make one small but achievable promise for every day of the week. It must be something you know you will do. Say, I promise to do this for us today. At the end of the day, return to the mirror, look at yourself in the eyes and say, I kept my word. Spend 3 minutes in this acknowledgement. Do this every day this week to start rebuilding the bridge of trust with yourself. We already know it's affirmation time, and you already know to repeat this after me. I am reliable. I am trustworthy. I honor the promises I make to myself. We're going to start small, but stay consistent. Trust is built one day at a time. I'll see you in week 15. Welcome to the reflection.